To cause an event trigger to fire when the draggable object has moved to a specific location on the storyline slide is a simple process. As you saw earlier, we created an invisible rectangle shape to sit within the draggable group itself. So this always stays at the center of the X-ray window screen as it is moved around and will not impede on the user's ability to view or click anywhere in the group to move it. The next thing we need is another invisible shape to act as the collision point with the invisible rectangle in our group, so that when they both collide together, in this case roughly around the center of our Easter Rabbit character's belly, then the show layer trigger can be activated. Depending on how precise the user placement needs to be, you can make either of the drag target objects as large as you would like. Then we just set up our trigger as follows to say show layer. What is that? When the object crash collision sitting outside of the draggable group object intersects with the target object, our target collision shape, sitting within the draggable group. Okay, I'm going to publish this now, but I want you to see a potential problem that we might need to overcome. So the trigger is firing absolutely fine, but take a look at what happens if I continue to move the draggable object on screen. As you can see in terms of Z-index ordering, meaning what is closest to the top of the object stack, the draggable object always remains at the very top until the moment we let it go. And then the ordering returns to the slide ordering as set up in our storyline slide. This is the default behaviour built into Articulate Storyline projects, as it's always the case that any draggable object on a freeform slide, when clicked, will be moved to the very top of the object hierarchy, despite its originating point or if it was placed on a different layer. You might not want this to happen, so how can we stop this from occurring? Well, let me show you, and once again some JavaScript is going to come to our rescue to solve this problem.